Welcome back. It's time now for the business day. The Airports Authority of Jamaica, AAJ, is implementing a project to rehabilitate one of the runways at the Vernamfield in Clarendon in a bid to develop a small domestic aerodrome. President of the AAJ, Audley Diedrich, said this is the first step in a long-term development plan for the aerodrome. The plan involves the development of a mega airport to facilitate aviation activities such as maintenance and repairs, cargo logistics, a transshipment facility, aircraft maintenance, and training. Mr. Diedrich added that a part of the facility is to be used for Jamaica Defence Force air wing activities. At least one commercial bank has signaled its readiness to use the central bank digital currency CBDC. President and CEO of Sagicor Group, Chris Zaka, says his team is already working on new products which will allow for the use of the digital currency when it is rolled out.
You know, the central bank piloting digital currency, it's just a Jamaican dollar. It has the full backing of the central bank. It's no different to a piece of paper with $100 or $1,000 written on it. But what it does is make the production and distribution and control of currency easier, cheaper, more efficient, allow people with phones to access currency much easier through technology. I think it's a fantastic idea. We're ready to go. I'm sure my banking team have about 10 products ready to go that they haven't even told me about yet.
The central bank has decided to hold the policy interest rate unchanged at 0.5% per annum until there is clear signs that economic activity in Jamaica is returning to pre-COVID levels. The Bank of Jamaica is one of several central banks globally that have decided to hold monetary policy rates at historic lows until an economic rebound. The next policy decision announcement to be issued by the bank's newly formed Monetary Policy Committee is May 18, 2021. Now, currency trading ended today with the greenback selling for $146.25. The Canadian dollar sold for $117.57. The pound sterling is going for $201.17, while the euro closed at $174.64. The JSE Index lost 1,581 points today, and the junior market index is down 12 points. Among the winners were Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Indies Pharma, Key Insurance, Jetcon Corporation, and Seprod. On the losing side, Iron Rock Insurance, KLE Group, CAC 2009.5%, Trans Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. And that's it for the business day. News from overseas after the break.